Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a small little haul from the Dollar Tree. And I'm not giving the Dollar Tree. Well, we had some snacks, they gone, they ate them. And I had something else. Oh, a notebook. Something else. Anyway, so just picked these two trays up. I use these to sit on my table when I'm making some embellishments. I can just put pieces in here and stack them real quick. So that's what that's for. And the only other thing was I got another one of these, which is the pop-up hamper. I use these, I carry them to crops, and also use it in my craft room. The thing I will say about this though is it's mesh. Sorry about the crinkling, but let me pour this open. Sorry. Loud noise. I didn't realize I was going to open. Anyway, so it fits just like this, so you can carry with this a traveling, you know, trash bag or hamper or whatever. But I use this trash bag as a hamper. That's why it's breathable. But what I do is, because I get small paper, glitter, little teeny stuff like this, I put a trash bag in it. So you just do like this, and it pops open. So it's a nice size for your room, or when you go into a crop or somewhere, you know, you want to carry something. But because of the meshness of it, I put a trash bag on it, and I use some binder clips to hold it in place. And that way, it pops up, pops down. This is actually a very narrow one. This is a smaller one than I had before. The mouth is narrower than the other one I have. But anyway, it comes in handy and collapses so you don't have a lot of space. So then I went to, the other thing was I had got some notebooks because I was going to training. And look at that. First page already got messed up. I didn't know how, but I guess because it got dropped in the rain. So this is some notebooks. They're somewhere. And then went to Tuesday morning. Just pick up a small haul. And I got this Fisker's Punch. I didn't have this one for $4.99. 1967957. Punches that out. You can use it, you know, put something on top of, kind of like a quick medallion or accent or flourish. Not a flourish, but you can put flowers on top of it. A lifetime warranty, that's what Fisker says. Anyway, so I wanted to go, I only went to Tuesday morning and did a quick drive in, drive out. And I just wanted to see if they had any Firefly dies. They have quite a few shapes and designs, and maybe about 20. And I only got a few, but about 20 different ones. A lot of them were the basic shapes, and I didn't get those, although I did get the heart shape one, because I really didn't have any heart small ones, or just plain. All the other hearts I think I have are scalloped and stitched, so I didn't have any plain hearts. But the other ones were like the square, the ones with the ticket punch on the end of the square, some circles, triangles, stars, and stuff like that. So if you're looking for some basic nesting dies for $4.49, it's a good price. You know, unless you can order them offline, but that's a good price right there in the store. And these you can make shakers out of them. You can layer them, do a couple of different things. So it's kind of nice to have some nesting dies. You can make a card front out of it too. Anyway, so this is 2026959, your basic hearts, and that is a 5-piece set. I also got the flower one, and it looks dimensional. It's a 4-piece set, 2026963. I want to open this up, show you the little, see the little picture under here. So if you see the picture, the flowers exist, dimension to it. So because of the way it cuts, see, like this cuts that inner layer. So you can tell that these flowers will be dimensional when you look at the die. For somebody else who's new to dyes, you can tell from the way that line right there is that you could tell that this would be able to be curled up. So I didn't need another flower die, but I thought it was cute because I knew it would produce dimensional flowers. So that is one of the reasons why I got that one. Sometimes you don't want your flower to be flat. And so those dimensional flowers will look good on background like that. And it has the leaf with it too, so that also helps. When you're doing a cover of something, like an album or something, it's really nice to have that. So the other three, I just narrowed it down to some of the ones. I do have a ton of butterflies, so I probably didn't need another butterfly, to be honest. But this is the two butterflies, a small one and a big one, and this has the word hello. I don't know if a picture on this one's up here as well. Let me see. And this is 2026967. Yeah. So that's how that looks. I like the shape of the butterfly. And this one is Celebrate 2026964. So they all do have different SKUs, so you can go look them up. Of course, we all have somebody that's having a birthday or some kind of celebration or honor that you can use a cake for. And the word celebrate. And that's kind of how it cut out right there. And then the last but not least, I got the little camel set. I don't own any camels. I own some llamas, but I don't own any camels. And these dies came out in 2018, which is interesting. So they're already in the store. $4.99 of course, $4.49 of course, and it is camel and cactus 2026966. And that's what they look like cut out. By the time you see this video, I'm sure everybody will show these home. But anyway, thanks for watching and subscribing. And I dare you. Well, I keep forgetting. Don't forget to play along with my birthday giveaway. I will be giving away Tim Holtz mini stamp press and traveling case, diamond dots picture, some dies, and a embossing folder, and stamps, just a whole bunch of different stuff and some handmade stuff. So depending on how many get, I'll probably do 2 giveaway sets, at least 2. But anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. It's open up to everybody. If it's international, they get PayPal money. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.